Okay, so it's about 4 o'clock and no, it's 4:45 and the family is all gone, and I wanted to show you sort of what I'm working with and what I gotta clean up today. Post-party cleanup. Oh joy. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas, and this video is my post Christmas Eve party cleanup, and I had a lot of stuff to clean up. I'm going to package up all my food and get my stove clean and then do the massive pile of dishes. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I am going to use this spray to spray down my stove and kind of loosen up all the burnt on spots, and then I'm going to put away my delicious Mississippi roast that we had for Christmas Eve. My stove was in serious bad shape. I think I had some burnt on cheese or something. Something was stuck on there and it took forever to get off. I think I end up using the ceramic cleaner. I think I used a razor blade. I think I used dish soap. I think I used everything that I possibly could to try and clean this stove. It's crazy. After I got my glass top cleaned off, I used my stainless steel e-cloth to shine up all the stainless steel parts on my stove and microwave. I am still loving the way that this cleans the stainless. There is so many people in and out of my house today and so much food on the counters that I really wanted to disinfect it and kind of really get any sort of germs that may be lingering, get them eradicated. So I had a whole dishwasher full of dishes and I still had all these to hand wash. Oh my goodness. I'm not gonna lie, this was a lot of work. I woke up at 6 a.m., I cooked all day, I hosted a big party. This was literally the last thing that I wanted to do on Christmas Eve, but I knew that if I got through all these dishes, that in the morning I would be in a better mood. I could wake up, make breakfast, start off Christmas Day a lot happier than if I came downstairs with sinks full of dishes. So I'm glad I persevered and I'm glad I got it all done. But I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot of dishes. hope you guys got some cleaning motivation from watching me do this massive mountain of dishes. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I also make my write-down series on Sundays.